Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to use tower fruits in 9 souls. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your character fast, this guide will show you how these fruits can boost your power and unlock skill points. Let's get started. 1. What are tower fruits? Tower fruits are rare collectibles found across New Kunlun. They come in 3 types. Regular tower fruits give you 1 skill point. Greater ones give you 2, and twin tower fruits give you 4. They also increase your damage slightly. 2. How to use them. Here's the best part. You don't have to do anything. Once you pick them up, they are automatically used. You instantly gain the skill points, and your damage for key attacks will be boosted by 3%. Where to find them? You can find tower fruits in hiding or hard to reach spots. Some key locations include Power Receiver, West section after hacking with Mystic Nymph, Sky Tower at the end of the Major Platform Challenge, Peach Blossom Village, up on the top left after the cutscene. 4. Why they matter? Using tower fruits is essential if you want to unlock skill faster and deal more damage in combat. They stack, so the more you collect, the stronger you'll become. They are a big part of mastering the game's flow. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to use tower fruits in 9 souls. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.